My name's Hakim from Audioconcepts. Today we're going to be showing you a small video on how anti-hijack works on the Ghost Immobiliser. This is a Ford Mustang. So I'm just going to replicate someone pulling you out of your vehicle. So at the moment we're driving, everything's fine. So we come to a set of traffic lights up ahead. So we're just at the lights. Now say someone was to open our door and try and take us out of the vehicle, like so. Door opens, belt off obviously, and then belt back on, which would be the person trying to steal the vehicle. Okay, now I'm the thief. I'm taking the vehicle now. Okay, so after 300 meters, the car's gonna give me a signal saying that I need to put the code in. If I don't put the code in, it's gonna activate anti-hijack mode. Okay, so my hazards have just flashed now. At this point, the customer would put in his code and everything would be fine. But the customer is being taken out of the vehicle and the thief is driving at this point. So I'm getting a countdown now. Next time the vehicle's at a standstill, it's gonna, there we go. So the vehicle's cut out now and can't drive it. So just try to restart. Okay, and the engine's died out again. So at this point the car is disabled totally.